Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to close your Oracle VM VirtualBox. Now this tutorial will be beginner friendly, so first you'll just need to go to the search bar of Windows and then click on Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. So you either search for it or it will appear between your apps. And here you will have all your virtual boxes. So here I'm going to choose Windows 11 Pro Clone 3, for example. I will do this tutorial on it. So if I just select it here, as you can see, it's powered off. You'll just need to right click on it, and here you'll have two options, either to stop it, which I can't do right now because it's already powered off. But if you want just to close it or to stop it from running, you just click on stop. Now, if you want to delete it, you can do that too. You can just click on delete, and here you will have two options, either to delete all the files or to just remove it. Now, you can keep the files if you are planning on opening that VirtualBox again another time, or you can just delete everything if you are done with your tasks. And that's it. That's very easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.